Po si Yusek Dave. Fresh na fresh po kami from our stint in Abu Dhabi at saka Dubai.
Follow-up lang po.
Yes.
Bali, magkano po yung grant na nakuha ng DICT to develop the blockchain technology? At
the
saka kanino pong galing na private company?
The grant didn't go to the ICT. So we partnered with a company called Bayani Chain, and they were the ones who did the work for us. Yung amount po, I don't know, siguro substantial din siya. A few million pesos din po siguro yon. Ang agreement naman namin sa kanila is, once it's done, at no cost to the government, we can migrate it to another chain po. And kung ang concern nyo na lang, cybersecurity, pinasadahan naman po ng cybersecurity team natin yan, tsaka data privacy team. So, hindi po nila maaangkin yung data na mailalagay doon.
Bali, may na-mention rin po na i-expand yung, yung blockchain to cover other government services. Kailan po kaya expected ma-roll out yung expansion? At saka may na-mention din po na savings supposedly na magagawa. May estimate po kaya ang DICT kung magkano yung masasave ng government because of this technology?
Yung nabanggit kanina ni Yusek Dave, we needed to launch it quickly, kaya linaunch namin siya through a public chain. So, no cost to the government. Kasi kung naalala nyo yung Kadena bill, di ba yung Kadena is going to come out siguro in a few months, mga February, March siguro. Doon sa Kadena, magkakaroon ng specific allocated budget na. And we expect that the budget to blockchain everything to fulfill the mandate of Kadena will be included there. So si Yusek Dave, pinaplano na niya yung yung execution niyan. And once the budget has been allocated officially, we'll start constructing na the blockchain that will not cater just to the budget but for the whole Kadena execution. Siguro by 2027, yan na yung mangyayaring pure blockchain from budget to disbursement to budget allocation, etc. etc.
Clarify lang po namin. So, dapat mapasa muna yung bill bago po ma-implement yung expansion?
Hindi naman. Yung expansion naman ngayon, there are things that we're now putting into the other systems of government. Like yung sa eGov app, pag makikita nyo po, meron ng parang blockchain yon, may eGov chain na yon eh. Pero syempre, we didn't anticipate the requirements of Kadena, dahil malaking requirements ng Kadena. We will have to get separate allocation for budget for the implementation of the whole Kadena. Hindi naman po namin naisama siya dun sa 2026 budget namin eh.
Last na lang po. Bale, i-recommend po ba ng DICT na masama sa priority legislation yung Kadena bill? At saka i-follow up ko lang po kung magkano yung savings na estimate ng DICT.
Doon sa prioritization, ginawa na po namin last year. I think we've already had a LEDAC meeting and nakita nyo naman yung mga legislation na in-endorse ni Presidente. As to the budget, rough estimate, north of several billion, Yusek Dave? Kasi imagine nyo na lang, yung papel na mawawala, tanggalin na natin yung issue na magkakaroon ng leakage, hindi namin ma-estimate yun. Kung manual yan, magkakaroon ng corruption, etc., hindi naman namin ma-estimate yan eh. Pero yung mawawala lang based on single entry, tapos wala ka ng multiple entry, siguro a few billion din yung matitipid yan. Papel, mawawala, di ba? Redundant IT systems, mawawala.
Thank you po.
Salamat po.